Hello, this is Anis from Never Stop Trucking. In this video we will be talking about tips and tricks for beginner drivers all the way to veterans. Here are some tips that might save you time and money and make it more comfortable for you when you're on the road. So the tip number one is use apps to find cheaper fuel. Most likely the fuel card that you're using has an application where you can find cheaper fuel with discounts for that particular fuel card. Also, you can use applications such as Trucker Path to find better priced diesel. We use Fleet One with RTS fuel discounts, and you can find that program in description of this video. But they have a really cool app where you can find real-time updates. Also, I just started using another fuel card, and that one is giving us more discounts at Speedway. So make sure you check out the fuel card and the discounts that they offer. The next thing that I have for you is organize your truck efficiently. What I mean by that, a lot of people will be using some kind of storage bins or some smaller bins that you can put on the side. You can use Velcro tape to attach a lot of things to your dashboard or in the back. What I like to do when I was driving, I drove myself for around 10 years over the road. I did not go in the back of my truck past that seat in my shoes. I would have small carpet on the floor and just that would be my home area. So everything over there was clean and organized, and I wouldn't even bring my shoes over there just to have that home feeling. And when you're eating, you can have everything organized in little bins, for example, like forks and knives, spoons, napkins. It just makes your brain function a little bit better. The next thing I have for you is save time by pre-planning your route. That's one of the most important things a driver can do. When you get your pickup instructions, your pickup address, make sure you put it in your map, possibly even in a couple of maps if you have a GPS navigation unit. And if you have Google Maps on your phone, I would check both. Check the satellite view, check the street view, check which way you're gonna go to once you exit the highway. Are there any truck restrictions? Are there any low bridges? Ask for phone number or Google the phone number for shipper and receiver. When I'm driving, I still call shippers and receivers. I know that's so like 20 years ago, but I still do it. And a lot of them will have a pre-recorded instructions how to get there, the directions, and then sometimes you can talk to them and they will tell you, hey, don't use that gate, use this one, don't go over to that street, come back around this way. So that will help you a lot. But also when you're at the pickup, you can do the same thing for the delivery. Another thing is extend your tire life by checking the pressure regularly, and this will not just help with the tire pressure, it will also help you with looking at the tire. When you're checking the pressure, you can't help but look at the actual tire, at the tread, at the sides, from the inside, just to see if there is anything that might be dangerous. And then while you're there, you can also take a look at other components such as brake chambers, brake lines, and brake pads. The next thing is healthy meals or healthy meals on the go. Restaurant food at truck stops is expensive and not healthy, especially the one that they have in their delis, things like that. It's a lot of greasy, fat, salty, sweet stuff that is really not good for you, and drivers don't move that much. We all know that. So I would either get as much as I can from home, invest in a refrigerator and a microwave, or also stop by occasionally at Walmart or something like that and get some fresh food. Sleep comfortably in your cab. That's my next tip. You should invest in a really good mattress. That will help you a lot. That will make you feel less tired, and it will be more comfortable for you. So just make sure you get good night's sleep. I think it's better to have a constant schedule. I know with over the road loads, it can be really tricky. You never know when you're going to have to drive throughout the night. But if you can have some kind of a schedule where you get up early, beat the traffic, and go to bed early, because our body is meant to be sleeping at night when it's dark. So I would try to come up with a schedule and try to stick to it. And then also next tip is maximize breaks for better focus. Sometimes people will drive for like 5 or 6 hours. Just stop by at the rest area, someplace, stretch your legs, give your brain some rest, because your brain is constantly looking for something on the road. When you're driving, you're looking for dangerous things. You have to focus on driving and what others are doing around you. You go out, take a walk, or like a 5-15 minute nap. It will help you. So constant breaks are really good for your health and for you. Hopefully these quick tips helped you. Thanks for watching. This is Anis from Never Stop Trucking.